Wa. This kana looks like a question mark. When you ask a question, you often begin with the word what. What are you doing? What are you wearing? What are you not wearing? 2 strokes. 1, 2. So, to be honest with you guys, I have never used or seen this character except for robust speaking in mangas. But I mean, we're still gonna learn it, of course. It's just that it's gonna be the hiragana particle o. And since o is only used for that purpose, I don't know how this will be used. But anyway, to remember wo, think of a dog woofing so hard its tongue is flying out. Oh, you exclaim, taken aback by this dog's tongue. Wo. 1, 2, 3. And finally, we have Do you remember how she is a lady with a weird face? The 2 little dashes are more horizontal than vertical, which helps us to know it's a face. So what about It's a man who has only 1 eye. But why only 1 eye, you ask? Don't ask. I don't know. 1, 2. So again, this one is going from bottom to top. So we have wine. Wine is wine. Then this is a bit funky. Sunshine. Sunshine. Sunshine is the sunshine. Wonton. Wonton. Wonton is the wonton, Chinese dumpling that you find in the famous wonton soup. So that's it, guys. Now you know all the katakana. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。